I just found one of the most insane faceless channels I've ever seen. This channel started posting only 4 months ago, and it's already sitting at over 58,000 subscribers. But here's the shocking part. In that tiny amount of time, they've pulled in more than 2.5 million views from just 26 videos. And if you scan their whole channel, you'll notice something wild. Every single video they upload is hitting hundreds of thousands of views, with their top video already exploding past 1.5 million views. According to VidIQ, this channel is pulling in over $9,000 a month in pure ad revenue. And get this, every video is made entirely with AI, and each one takes less than 15 minutes to produce. Now I know you're wondering, how the heck are they doing this? Well, get ready because this is actually genius. They're making simple, high-converting videos that teach viewers how to build focus-boosting productivity sessions, the kind of content that helps students and young adults get locked in, study better, and actually finish their work. In today's video, I'm breaking down exactly how they do it, step by step, from channel setup to video idea and topic selection to fast production and even thumbnail design. I also dropped a full Notion document with every prompt, every tool, and every workflow I used, so you can copy it step for step, grab it, and follow along. If you want it right now, like this video and comment "Inspirational Blueprint" below, and I'll send it to you instantly. Alright, let's dive in and see what we're about to build together.
Let me ask you something real quick. How many times have you told yourself, this is it? Starting tomorrow, I'm gonna be consistent. And then 2 days later, you're somehow back to scrolling, procrastinating, lying on your bed thinking, bro, what is wrong with me? Yeah, I've been there too, more times than I want to admit. But here's the truth. And when I learned this, everything changed.
Now let's get into how these channels are pulling those numbers. And I made this whole process super easy for you. Everything is copyable. Everything is ready to use. Inside the Notion prompt file, I broke down our competitors' visuals, their channel logo, banner, thumbnails, and even the image styles for their videos, all converted into JSON. Then I turned those into copy and paste prompts you can use directly. Link in the description for the Notion file. If you want it right now, comment "Inspiration Blueprint" below, and I'll send it to you instantly. Now, first thing, you need a channel name. The fastest way to do this is with ChatGPT. Go to the prompt file, copy the channel name prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. In 1 second, you'll get a list of names. Pick one you vibe with. Keep it simple, keep it memorable. I chose this one for my channel name. Now that you have your name, next step, creating your channel logo and banner. Go back to the prompt file. Copy the logo picture prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, add your channel name, and hit enter. Then copy the banner prompt and do the same thing. Once both prompts are ready, head over to Whisk, paste the logo prompt, change the aspect ratio, and click Generate and download your favorite logo. Then do the same for your banner. Paste the banner prompt. Set aspect ratio 16:9 and click Generate and download. That's it. Now we have the channel name, logo, and banner. Let's move into video production. Alright, time to create your first video. And this is where 90% of new creators mess up. They pick random topics. So, copy the video idea prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and now you need a viral topic. Go check your competitors. Look at which topics are pulling hundreds of thousands of views. Copy 5 to 10 of their viral titles. Then go back to ChatGPT. Paste those titles along with the video idea prompt, and ChatGPT will give you fresh angles based on what already works. Pick one topic and move on. I chose this one for my video. Now that you have your topic, let's create the script. Go back to the prompt file, copy the scripting prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, insert your video title, and generate the full script. Read through it, rewrite a few lines, make it sound like you. Remember, authenticity is what separates a 10,000 view video from a 500,000 view video. Now, we need image prompts for every scene. Copy the video image prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, then paste your entire script into the placeholder. ChatGPT will output full image prompts for each scene. Copy and save all of them. You'll need them in the next step. Now let's generate the images. Go to Whisk, paste your first image prompt, and click Generate. You'll get 2 images. Choose the best one. This becomes your base style. Click on that image, paste your second image prompt, and Whisk will match the character style automatically. This keeps your visuals consistent from start to finish. Now, download everything. Top left, download all images and extract the zip file. And now you've got all your visuals ready. Next, voiceover time. I use 11 Labs for this. You can pick any voice you want, but I used Atom because it matches the competitor's tone. feel free to choose a different one. Just match the vibe, paste your script into 11 Labs, format it cleanly, and generate the voice, listen through, and fix anything that feels off, and download the final audio. And that's it. Your voiceover is done. Now let's start editing. Open CapCut and start a new project. Import all your images and your voiceover file. First step, drop the voiceover into the timeline. Go through it, cut all the dead space, remove any long pauses. Once that's clean, this tightens the pacing and makes it much more engaging. Now start adding your images. Align each scene with what's being said in the voiceover. Make sure the visuals match the message every single time. Next, add music. I added soft piano background music. You can find similar tracks in YouTube's audio library. Lower the music volume to -9 to -12 decibels, so the voiceover stays clear. Now add transitions. I use fade in and fade out. The pattern doesn't matter too much. For longer scenes, I use both fade in and fade out. For shorter scenes, I just use fade in. Captions are optional. I didn't use them for this video. Once everything looks good, go to the top right, click Export, select 4K resolution, and export your video. Alright, video's done. Now let's finalize the thumbnail. Let's create the thumbnail concept. Go back to the prompt file. Copy the thumbnail concept prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and replace the placeholders with your video title. ChatGPT will generate a thumbnail prompt that matches your video perfectly. Now copy that prompt, head over to Whisk, paste it, and generate your thumbnail. And just like that, in about 5 minutes, you have a fully finished thumbnail based on what's already working in the niche. And look, I get it. This might feel like a lot for a niche you've never tested before. But your first video takes a few hours. Your next one is faster. By video 10, it becomes automatic. Because success on YouTube isn't about one viral video. It's about building systems that scale and compound over time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.